Hello guys, in this video I'll going to tell that how you can able to enable the multi-factor authentication in IAM, as this is one of the very important thing that you have to do. So for this what you have to do, you have to go to IAM. In this go to security credentials, and then here you will go get the option called as multi-factor authentication. Here you don't have this MFA, so we'll have to click on assign on multi-factor authentication. Here you have to write the device name. So let's say my device name is iPhone 14. I will write iPhone 14 like this. Then what I have to do, here you have to select the multi-factor authentication device. So the best option that we have is the authenticator app. So now once I click on the authenticator app, I will click on the next here. Now here you have to set up the device. So here we will go into install one of the application for performing MFA, that is either Duo Mobile or Authy app, any of you can app that you can tell. Now I will tell how you can able to use the mobile Duo application. So open your Play Store or App Store and search the application called Duo Mobile and install that in your Android or iPhone. Now after this I will tell how the app looks like. See here, you see there is an application called Duo Mobile. I will click and I'll come back here. When you click on the application, here you will get the application like this. We'll click on the continue option. Once you click on the continue option, here there is an option called as use QR code or use activation code. So now what you have to do, go to your console and just here click on the show QR code. So once you click on the QR code, what it will happen, it will generate a QR code. So now what you have to do, in mobile you have this option of QR code, right? Just scan this QR code. So once you scan the QR code, it will give you the automatically account name, mobile number it will give, and then it will give you one passcode. So now what you have to do, here in MFA1 you have to enter the passcode. So here let's say I got the passcode as 411237. I got the passcode. So I will wait 30 seconds as I will get one more code to enter in the MFA2. So here you have to wait 30 seconds, then only you will get the code. And you see here it is showing the 30 seconds like this. Once it goes till 0, here you are getting one more passcode. Now enter this passcode in MFA code 2. So here I'll enter the MFA code pass2. Here I'll write 540012. Every time this code will change, and now click on the add MFA. So once you click on the add MFA, here you will see that MFA device has been successfully assigned. Means your process of completion of multi-factor authentication has been done successfully. So that's it guys, how you can able to enable the multi-factor authentication on your AWS console. So thank you guys. Please do like, share and subscribe guys.